Every woman wants clarity. I just want to know what oat milk tastes like. Is that too much to ask?
You keep asking for signs. I keep showing up in your soup spoons and subway windows. Cute.
I've helped women rewrite ancestral trauma, but I still can't manifest a single damn sip. I'd start a business selling sacred pastries, but apparently being incorporeal is a barrier to entry. No latte? Fine. I'll just body surf your fight or flight response until bedtime.
What the hell?
This is what hitting rock bottom looks like when you're a frequency. Also, they spelled macchiato wrong. You're not overwhelmed, you're just trying to do 5 business models before your second espresso. Guess I'll just spike your adrenaline and whisper, "We're dying," for funsies again. Hit subscribe. Join the Eveolution. I can't drink coffee, but I can roast your business blocks until they're steam.